Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Gmail. I'm going to show you how to check if a mail is delivered. So let us jump in. We can see now this is our inbox and we want to jump over to the sent folder. Now this sent folder inside here is every single email that has physically been sent and received by your recipient. Okay, so you can see over here on the right-hand side, there is a time and date stamp. All right, so it says Wednesday, 3rd of April, 1800 hours. That is the time that this mail was actually sent. If you go over on the left-hand side again to drafts, in drafts, these are emails that have not actually been sent. So let's say you started creating it and you didn't actually push that send button. Now, you may also find that there is an outbox. Now, the outbox is a mail that has been sent, but the server has not actually sent it through yet. All right. And if it's ever been held in outbox, there could be a few reasons. It may be that your recipient email address is incorrect. It also may just mean that there is a network error or there's an error with a mailbox. It could be your mailbox. It could also be the mailbox of the recipient. If this video was helpful, go ahead, drop us that big old thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.